Hello, this is Bernard, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the postcard in our martial arts niche. And I'll be using the Adobe Photoshop CS2, as you can see, because all the postcards can work in older versions such as CS2, CS3, 4, 5, and the latest versions. And I'm going to show you on how to edit the images, replace the images, add some effects in our text, change the text, or remove some elements in the design. So let's get started. I'm going to open the first postcard here, as you can see. There you go. So first, as you can see, we have this yellow warning sign in our text. So in order for you to edit the text, you need to remove that first. So by removing that, just double click on those thumbnails, just like that, and just click OK. Alright, okay. So as you can see, some of the fonts were changed, so we can always change the fonts. Let's try to change our fonts. Say for example this font right here, and we'll change this as well to the same font, just like that. So now we can actually change our headline, say for example, and we can change the color of that and add styles into it. Just double click on the layer in the space here, and as you can see, we have a different styles here that you can play around with. So we can use actually color overlay for a plain color, just one color, or if you want a mix or a combination of colors, you can use gradient overlay. And as you can see here, we have already the presets, and if you want to make your own combination of colors, just click on this to edit, and you can play around with these colors, or you can remove one of these by hold and drag anywhere. There you go. And if you want to add, so just put your cursor here in this space and just click, and we can now change the color by double clicking on those, just like that. And there you go, and just click OK. We can actually change our stroke as well to whatever color. Okay, so just you can play around with all the styles and settings right here, and just click OK. So the same procedure with all the fonts. That's basically how to add the styles in our texts. And now we're going to change our background. We have this background right here, so we will delete that and replace our background. And I have this background right here, so I'm gonna just drag this image in our postcard and resizing it by hitting Ctrl T. Okay, so as you can see, our postcard actually have this white space with the black border. So we want our background image not to touch the background color. So basically it's like inside our frame. So what we're going to do is clip our image. So by doing that, just hold your Alt key, holding the Alt key, and putting your cursor between these two layers. And when this icon appears, just click on your mouse, just like that, and it will clip. So the image will be clipped on our white space, as you can see. And also we can add more images by just dragging them out. So say for example this image right here, and just drag it. We can place it anywhere, and we can also clip that image, so holding the Alt key and placing the cursor in this between these layers, and just click, as you can see. And if you want to flip any image, say for example you want to flip this, our background image, so just hit Ctrl T, right click on your mouse and flip horizontal, and just hit the enter key, and there you go. As you can see, we have now added a new image, and we can add some stroke in our number or our contact details, just like that. And we can move them as well if you want to move that part. And also you can use actually just a pure color for your background, or if you want to create a gradient, you can also do that by double clicking this layer right here, and just go to the gradient overlay, and now you can switch to just a color background, as you can see. That's it.